Hey guys, today we're going to solve problem 104, maximum depth of a binary tree. Given the root node of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. So when we look at example 1 right here, we can see that our root node is 3 and our output should be 3. And why is that? Well, because if we look at our root node of 3, we count that as 1, we go down to 20, we count that as 1, and then we go down to 15, which we also count as 1. So that would be 3 nodes from the root node down to a leaf node. And on the right, where we have a 7, this would also evaluate to be 3, but it doesn't really matter in this example. So in this example, we also see on the left that going from 3 until 9, we have 2. But the idea for this problem is that we want to maximize our return. So in this case, we're just going to select the path from 3 to 20 to 15. And this problem, I really like this problem because this is indicative of how we're going to solve most tree problems. We can use recursion. So what we're going to do is we're going to call max depth recursively on both the left and right childs of our root node. But we also need to guard against our base case because this is a recursive function where we don't have a child. And in that case, we should just return 0 because 9 doesn't have a left or right child. So it'd be safe to say that its non-children contribute 0 towards its ultimate sum, which is why 9 plus 3 results in 2. So you can see here on lines 9 and 10, we guard against our base case where if we don't have a node, we just return 0. But then on the following line, we return 1 plus the maximum value of the recursive call to our max depth function with roots left or roots right. And this way we can make sure that we get whichever value is the largest. And when we run it, we get passing. Excellent. If the video helped, please make sure to like and subscribe. That supports the channel and helps us move closer to our goal of doing this full time, creating content on YouTube. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.